You did really good. I feel like this is probably something like you're like super confident, right? this one's right. The only thing I would say would be to simplify it. Okay, both of these numbers are divisible by 2. You can divide each one by 2, right? So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then 4 divided by 2 is -2, right? -5 over -2. A negative over a negative becomes a positive. So the answer would be 5, 2. Okay? But it's the right. Like if the teacher was to check this, it would be right. But it's just you can simplify it to make it easier. Number 2, this one was right. I saw that you struggled to put 3/4 first, but you fixed it. You made it right. So good job. This is perfect. This is how you simplify it. These are both right. The only difference is this, when you have 0 divided by something, that equals 0. And then something divided by 0 is undefined, right? So you just got that. So that's it. You did really, really good, okay? We're gonna practice doing them on graphs. So this one, do you know how to plot points on a graph? Okay, so if I tell you right now, 0, 0, right? What are the coordinates of this point? Okay. When you make it like that, like in a fraction, you're writing it in the way that you would write a slope. But if I'm asking for coordinates, I want them like this, like this. Okay? And the way you do that is you start at 0 and you count 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Your x is your 1. And then you're going down 1, 2, 3 spaces, so that's a -3. Those are your coordinates. That's how you do it. Okay? What about this one? Try to do this one. Your x is horizontal. Your y over here, your x, see how over there would be your x and your y. So if you're going straight across on this line, that's your x. The number goes first, and then when you go up and down, that's on the y line. So then the number goes right. Okay, go.
Wait, is it from up or down?
You go straight across first. Yeah, but you go straight across first. You go across 5 up 4. So it's actually 5, 4. The x is right here. The y is the second one, right? This is the x. You're going across first as you go up. Okay? So if you have these two, okay, so for this one, right? Try to find the slopes. This is 0, 0. Try to find the slope of this and of this. Once you get the slopes of this and this, you're able to find the slope because then you have the two coordinates, right? Okay. We're gonna do this one together, and then I'm gonna have you try to work on 4 by yourself. Okay? The first one, the first coordinate you're looking at is, let's just say we pick this one. 1, 2, 3, and down 1. 3, -1, because you're going down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're going across 3, up 3. And if you want, I can actually help you out. This is positive coordinates. Positive, negative, 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 positive. So if your dot is in this quadrant, the square, you know that the first number is going to be a negative, the second number is going to be a negative. That's just a way to help you out, right? So these are your two slopes. You have m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. this is x and this is y, and this is x2, y2, and you know y2, you go right there. 3 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 3 minus -1 is the same thing as 3 plus 1, so that's a 4 over 0. That would be under 5. This answer right here is under 5. Okay? You feel confident being able to do these? You want to try them? Okay. Try 3 and then we'll go back to 4. So you're starting from this point, but you should be starting from the 0, 0 right here. See this arrow right here, this line, and this line right here, where they intersect, that's 0, 0. You're supposed to start from there. And then you count 1, 2, 3, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would be 3, 5. You're starting at the 0, 0. And see how I made a little dot right there, where it intersects this arrow line and this one? That's where you start. Yeah. What is that?
No, I start from here and then go down.
You go across first. You go across X. Okay? 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer would be 5. Okay, I'm sorry. I was trying to see what you were doing. Okay, are you trying to move
Not that.
this here? Okay, I want to ask you a question. If you will go up and you move here, is this where the point is?
No. Do that.
You were trying to get from here to here, right? Okay, so you're not going up or down, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. You moved 4 this way, -4, right? So you got the -4, but you're not going up or down. Just both of the dots are the same horizontal line. So it's actually 0. Does that make sense? Because you didn't go up or down. You just moved left. You moved left 4 spaces. You're not going up or down. So it's actually -4, 0, not -4, 1. Okay? Try this one. This one's also similar, so be careful. Okay? They're on the same vertical line. Okay? This dot right here and this dot are on the same vertical line. So try to
Just go
figure
down.
out what the coordinates are.
Just go down. Go down one.
What is it?
Have you go down one.
You can go down 1. The up and down, is that X or Y?
That's one.
That's Y. So when you're looking at your coordinates, where is that -1 gonna go?
The one.
The second number. Yeah, okay. So I'm just letting you know.
Right.
So try to figure out the second set of coordinates.
Have to go left. I mean right.
Hmm?
Can I move the dot right?
1. You went down 1. Did you move left to right?
Yeah. Down.
To get from here to here?
No, that's down. Down.
Yeah, but did you have to move left and right at all?
No.
To get to, okay. So what is that?
Go down. No, that's 0.
That's 0, right? So the X is 0. You're gonna make your parentheses. Perfect. You got it. Okay. Good. So now you have your 2 sets. Now you have your 2 sets of coordinates, right? So now you're doing exactly what we did right here. I'm actually gonna give you a picture so you can show your work. So for number 4, you have your coordinates, -4, 0, and 0, -1. Now you're gonna use the equation to solve for the slope, right? It's easier to show your work here because it's in problem.
Wait, I'm gonna paste it.
Same thing you did over here.
can't do anything to zero.
Think about it. Think about it. You have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and you have them all the same. Let's solve it.
Okay. So this one. And then what?
Use a calculator. If they're all right, if you made one mistake, I will tell you what it is. Okay, y2 minus y1, you got it. You did this, y2 minus y1. But then you went x1 minus x2. It should be x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. So you have to put this. 0 minus -4. That's all. Everything else was like that. So -1 minus 0 is -1 over 0. This is +4. 0 minus -4. It'll be -1 over 4. That would be the answer. So because you made that minor mistake, you got the same answer but in a positive form. It should have been negative.
I did make that's a minus. I said it did the other thing. That's a negative.
Yeah, you made it a positive. It's two negatives make a positive, right? It should be -1 over 4. Yeah. Because you didn't, you have like a negative here and a negative here. It should be -1 over 1. That's all. But honestly, you're doing really good. Like, I feel like you're understanding what is supposed to be done. Like, you understand what the steps are. You wanna try one more? We'll try one more. I feel like you can get it. Okay? You wanna do number 5? Which one do you want? You can pick any one. 10? Okay, make sure you start over here. That's your 0, 0. There's no points here.
Yeah, you make your own points.
Oh, you can make your own point. Okay, so you want to pick your point. Make sure they're on an intersection, though. On an intersection. If it's not, it's just gonna give you a hard time. Make sure they're at an intersection. Okay, go ahead.
I can go down there. I can go down.
That's okay. I'm okay with starting at the zero though.
Yeah,
Remember, we're
I start
starting.
with the zero. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Okay, but you flip them. This is y, this is x. Right? The coordinates have to be x, y. So you gotta flip a flip them. Also, that's a positive because you went up. So 2 and then 4. Yep. Okay. Now do the next one.
Bottom one?
Yeah. You need two sets of coordinates to solve it. You're right, but again, you flip them. You moved left and right 0 times. That's x, and then you went down 2. If it's down 2, is it a positive 2 or negative 2? Okay, so now you have those, right? You got 2, 4, and you have 0, negative 2. Yeah.
I think we combine that too. Finish
Yeah. This is perfect. This is right, but what's negative? Like I said, use your calculator. It's gonna help you. Negative 2 minus 4.
negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6.
You put positive 6. Just make sure you're aware, right? Positive and negative they make the biggest difference. So, and then 0 minus 4 is what?
4, 0, 0.
0 minus 4?
0 minus 1 is 4.
Negative 4. Right? Okay. You still, because they're both negative, you're still gonna get the same answer. It's still 6 over 4. But I want you to be careful when you calculate them. Okay? Because sometimes it's not gonna be a positive. It's not gonna turn back into a positive. But your thing is also is you can simplify it. They're both divisible by what number?
Big.
What can you divide each one by? Equal. You can divide 6 by 3, but can you divide 4 by 3? 2. 2.
3.
3 over 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So they're both divisible by 2, right? You did a lot better. I feel like you're doing really, really good. Okay?